Welcome to this new video. Today we're going to explore the future of vacations and tourism, talking about tourist travel and space hotels. Are you ready to find out what awaits us in the future of tourism? So let's get started. Space tourism is an emerging industry that offers travelers the opportunity to enjoy unique experiences outside the Earth's atmosphere. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic. They are working to develop reusable, safe and cost-effective vehicles, opening the door to a future where space travel will be accessible to many. These companies are already conducting test missions taking tourists into space, like Blue Origin's Jeff Bezos and Virgin Galactic's Richard Branson. SpaceX, on the other hand, is working on its ambitious Starship project, which aims to carry up to 100 people per trip, revolutionizing the space tourism sector. Dennis Tito was the first space tourist in history on the International Space Station in 2001. Since then, 7 other people have taken similar journeys, paying between $20 million and $50 million for the experience. Becoming a space tourist requires specific training, including survival courses and physical endurance tests. Additionally, applicants must be in good health and willing to undergo rigorous medical checkups. The space hotel concept is becoming more and more real, with several companies working on ambitious projects. Axiom Space is a pioneering space company, with the goal of developing commercial habitation modules for the International Space Station. Their ambitious plan foresees the launch of the first module by 2024, which will then be connected to the ISS to offer additional space dedicated to scientific research, space tourism and other commercial activities in space exploration. The decommissioning of the ISS is scheduled for the mid-2030s, but Axiom Space is already preparing to face this change. Once the ISS is decommissioned, the housing module will not be abandoned, but will be transformed into an independent entity. It will detach from the ISS and become an autonomous space station, continuing to play a crucial role in the space industry. To facilitate this transition, the module has been designed so that it can be easily expanded and integrated with other modules that will be launched later. These additional modules, once connected to the main structure, will allow the new space station to expand further, offering even more space and resources for research, space tourism, and the development of new technologies. In addition to the expansion of the space station, Axiom Space plans to work with other space companies and agencies to create a support network that can best leverage the resources and knowledge of all partners involved. This collaborative approach could lead to faster technological developments and lower barriers to accessing space tourism. The autonomous space station could also serve as a springboard for more ambitious missions, such as the exploration of other planets, asteroid mining, and the development of permanent bases on the Moon and Mars. These projects will open new horizons for humanity and the space sector, pushing the boundaries of exploration ever further. With this long-term vision and the ability to adapt to changes in the space industry, Axiom Space is poised to seize the opportunities presented by the continued development of space exploration and tourism. Their mission doesn't stop there. The future of space exploration is bright and filled with endless possibilities, and Axiom Space is determined to lead the way to new frontiers. In summary, the commercial housing module, initially thought to be part of the ISS, is designed to become independent and transform into an autonomous space station once the ISS is decommissioned. With this long-term vision, the station is poised to make the most of the opportunities presented by the ever-changing space industry. The construction collaboration is already underway, with Thales Alenia Space, an Italian company, selected by Axiom to build the first 2 modules of the station. Furthermore, Axiom has begun training the Italian astronaut, Colonel Walter Villadei, opening up new opportunities for Italy in the space sector. The space hotels will offer services such as comfortable accommodation, dining, and leisure activities in zero gravity. However, they will also face challenges such as waste management, protection from cosmic rays, and adaptation of systems and equipment to space conditions. Space tourism raises ethical questions and environmental concerns. As the industry develops, it's important to consider the impact of launches on the Earth and air quality. It can also affect the distribution of resources and wealth, with the better off enjoying unique opportunities, while many people on Earth struggle to meet basic needs. Space companies are working to reduce the environmental impact of their vehicles, for example by developing reusable rockets and looking for more sustainable sources of energy. It is essential that the industry commits to minimizing its ecological footprint and to promote an ethical and responsible approach to conquering space. Furthermore, it is important that the sector works to make space tourism accessible to a wider audience, by overcoming economic and social barriers that may limit opportunities for many. By partnering with governments and international organizations, the space tourism industry can help create a more equitable and sustainable future for all. With this premise, we can move on to examining future plans and the accessibility of our new holidays. As technology advances and launch costs decrease, space tourism is likely to become more affordable in the near future. SpaceX has already announced plans for tourist missions around the Moon, while Virgin Galactic plans to make suborbital travel cheaper and more accessible. These trips could further revolutionize the space tourism industry and offer truly unique experiences for travelers. It's a rapidly growing industry that promises to deliver extraordinary experiences to travelers. With ever-evolving vehicles, galactic hotels, and interplanetary travel in development, the future of vacationing truly appears to be beyond Earth's atmosphere. However, it is important to address the ethical and environmental challenges associated with this new tourism frontier, and ensure that progress is made in a sustainable way. Only then can we ensure that future generations can enjoy the wonders of space in all its majesty. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications of upcoming videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer them in future episodes. See you in the next video.